What are you doing? Where's the Roomba? Where's the vacuum? No, you just walk past the vacuum. Here's the vacuum. Look, come here. Turn the vacuum on. Good girl. No, you gotta let him do his work. Maddie, come on, turn the vacuum on. Maddie, turn the vacuum on. Maddie. So easily sidetracked. It's so easy. What's Ellie got? What's Ellie got? You're having so much fun. There's Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Okay, Ellie, pick another one. You can play tug of war. Oh, you like purple? Who are you gonna play with? You gonna go shopping? You've got such a wonderful selection of toys. It's far more fun to take them out of the toy box and have them in the toy box. All right, maybe we can turn the vacuum on now. No, we're not gonna turn the vacuum on? Why don't we turn the vacuum on? You ready? Turn the vacuum on. Turn the vacuum off. Maybe I shouldn't keep the Roomba beside the toy box. Let the Roomba do his thing. Okay, or not. Turn the Roomba back on. Come on. Come on, he's got work to do. Come on. What do you think, Ellie? Maddie, one more shot. Turn him back on. With the nose. Good girl. We're getting a lot of vacuuming done, but we're having a lot of fun. Okay. All right. I guess we'll vacuum later. Funny girls. Yeah, the Roomba doesn't bother you. No. You're no trouble. Funny girls. All right, grab another toy. And then Mom will do the cleaning later. Just put the Roomba back in the toy box. Seems like a good spot. So many toys to pick from. You guys are so spoiled. Yes, you are so spoiled by your fairy godmothers. Look at this. Which one to pick from? All right, well, obviously it's gonna be the same one. What do you think, Jack? Jack's just bird watching. All right, we'll let the girls have their fun. Funny girls. Funny girls. Funny Maddie. All right, time to look for squirrels for a little bit. Okay, that'll be fun. Good girl.